Program structure. SAS contains two steps, data step and the proc step. Data step will create and manage the data and it creates a data set. Okay, so syntax. This data is permanent. Okay, this is a keyword actually. So whenever you write the code data, you need to write. So the SAS program starts with the keyword data. Okay, and data set name, whatever you want, you can keep it. Suppose student, you can write it. Okay, so you can change and you can write whatever you want here, but data is a keyword, so we should begin the program with the keyword data and end with a semicolon. Clear? And input means it will create the variables, so var1, var2 and so on. Okay, it will create the variable is nothing but the columns. Okay, and data lines. Next is data lines, means we can read the observation, means we can read the rows. Okay, so data step will end with a run statement, so we write run semicolon. Clear? Next, proc step. About proc step, it implements different procedures for analyzing and visualizing the data. Okay, and it creates a tabular report, plots, charts, graph and so on. Okay, and the syntax for the proc step is nothing but the proc, procedure name, options, semicolon. Here proc is a keyword. Okay, here data is a keyword, here proc is a keyword. So this is a data step, this is a proc step. I hope it's clear. Okay, so procedure name. What procedure name you can write? You can write print and means whatever is there, I'll explain in the next part. Okay, options, semicolon, run. Okay, proc step ends with a run statement. So this is the data step and this is the proc step. Clear? In this way we will begin with the program. It will be easy, no need to worry about it. You just continue watching my video. Okay, next is nothing but the raw data. In SAS we have the raw data. So for that raw data means what? It is not defined with columns and rows. So for that raw data we write a data step. Okay, data step is what? This one. Okay, so data step creates a data set. As I said, data step creates a data set, so it will create a data set. It's clear? And the data step, after the data step we'll write the proc step. After the data set we'll write the proc step, and lastly we'll get a report. Okay.